This is one where the customer had really challenged credit. He was sitting at 480, 490 beacon. He bought a vehicle here with us for 11.9. He put originally 5,500 bucks down. The crazy thing about this deal, even though he basically had like half down, the bank was still giving us a $1,400 fee. We usually don't take anything over than like a $700, $800 fee because it's just not worth it to give the finance company so much money because of the customer's poor credit. That's not on us, that's on them. But on this case, we kind of waived that exception. I was willing to take the really big fee for the customer just to help him out because he was a previous customer that bought a vehicle here with us about 2 years ago, and he said he called us a couple times. He's like, hey guys, can you guys try to get me approved? I know my credit's pretty bad, but I just need a little bit of help. I need to get into a car because my wife doesn't have a car right now, and I need you guys to help me out. Just pulled out my heartstrings a little bit. I saw the deal and I was like, you know what, we're not making any money on this, but you know what, we're gonna get this customer down the road with a reliable vehicle that hopefully he'll be able to make payments on and basically just fix his credit. Unfortunately, we already had other stipulations, but this bank was asking for a bank statement. When we did the deal, we were under the impression he did have a bank account and everything. It wasn't until he sent us what he had, and it turned out that it wasn't a bank account. It was more of a deposit card, like Cash App or Venmo or one of those type of banking things that people have online. And I sent that bank statement over to the finance company, and they said, hey guys, this isn't a bank account. This is just like a deposit card. We can waive the bank statement stipulation, but we're going to charge you guys from a $1,400 fee. We're going to increase this to $2,200. And I was like, I can't do that. I found them another approval, but the thing is, the original approval was at 19.9. That second approval, we were going to need $500 more, a total of $6,000 down, and his APR was going to shoot from 19.9 all the way to 29.99. I wanted to give the customer a call and present the numbers to him and let him know that it's his decision at the end of the day if he wants to proceed with it at that crazy rate. It is super crazy, but his credit was very poor. We already gave the down payment back to his wife. We gave her a check back, but I still wanted to give the customer a call and let him know that we did have that other option since we hadn't had a chance to give him a call earlier today. I just want to present all the options to the customer and let him know that basically we tried our best and did all we could.